Okay, student. First chapter is almost finished, right? Here today we are discuss chapter number 6, life process. Actually, this chapter is very important, right? To all living organisms. Living organism means both, right? Plant as well as animals, right? We are cover this topic in this chapter, right? First, chapter number 6, life process, right? See, one question is very common asked in this chapter: what are life process? Right? What are life process? Means life process है क्या? Clear? So first is growth, right? In different animals or plants, right? In fundamental is cell, right? And when plant is or animal is take the food, right? This food is digestion, right? In internal body all growth is possible is there, right? Means with all different type of living organism, right? Or alive, right? Alive means an animal or plant is moving, right? One place to another place, right? Or growth is also possible is there. Second is the nutrition, right? We are take the different type of food, right? All food is a digestion, and we are take different type of nutrition is there, right? Different resources of nutrition, and all resources is outsourcing. Means हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वो बॉडी के बाहर से लेते हैं. Clear? Outsourcing nutrition in our body, right? Means nutrition is also play the very important role to growth, right? Third is the respiration, right? Respiration means what, right? Suppose one example is given here. Respiration means we are take the oxygen, right, or release the carbon dioxide, right? This process is called the respiration, and lungs is play the very important role or internal body, right? Means respiration. After respiration, circulation and transportation. Circulation means in our internal body, right? Blood is circulated, right? One organ to another organ, right? And heart is played a very important role, right? What is function of heart? Heart is the pump the blood, right? And the blood substance is the RBC, WBC, platelets, right? All are is play the very important role, right? To circulations. Right? And after circulation, excretion. Excretion means when we are take the food, right? Which food is digested, right? And some waste part is also is there. Undigested food, right, is through anus, right? Is वो body के क्या होगा, बाहर निकल जाएगा, right? This one is called the excretions. Clear? Transpiration in plant. Transpiration plant means what? Right? Just like a leaf. Leaf is play the very important role to transpiration. Right? Transpiration in plants. Right? See, यहाँ तक to growth to expiration. Right? Some part is the animal is also as well as the plant is also. Right? And another is the autotrophic nutrition, right? This one is very important here. Autotrophic nutrition, you are already, right, learned in class 8, right? Two type of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition or heterotrophic nutrition, right? Autotrophic nutrition means what? Some plant, right, they are take the natural resources, means carbon dioxide, water, right, or glucose, and they are prepare the own food, right? This process is called the autotrophic nutrition, right? Another type of nutrition is also you are learn in class 8, right? Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means what? Some different type of animal, right, is they are not prepared to directly food, use the natural resources, right? Means वो animals कैसा है? Autotrophic nutrition पर dependent, means they are depend to the directly to plants, right? This type of nutrition is called the heterotrophic nutrition. Clear? ये chapter बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Some different diagram is also play very important role is there, right? Just like a heart है, right? Lungs है, kidney है, nephron है, right? Means this chapter is the diagram related chapter is there. So we are cover only one topic, right? Here because ये chapter को learn करने के लिए you are develop right, your approach is also is different is there, right? Chalo, we are cover, right, line to line, right, in this chapter. First, life process, right? See, introductory part is not a very important here, but some one marks question is asked there, right, in board examination. Okay, how do we tell the difference between what is alive and what is not alive? इसमें एक क्वेश्चन पूछा है हमसे, राइट, कि व्हाट इज अलाइव एंड व्हाट इज नॉट अलाइव. अलाइव मींस लिविंग थिंग्स, राइट, नॉट अलाइव मींस नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. बट सम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वायरस, राइट, वो दोनों की तरह रोल प्ले करता है. समटाइम इज अलाइव इज आल्सो, समटाइम इज नॉन अलाइव इज आल्सो, राइट. तो क्या अगर हम वी आर डिस्कस द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल इज हियर, जस्ट लाइक अ फैन, राइट. द फैन इज द अलाइव बिकॉज alive is almost moving, motion, right, but fan is also moving or motion, but growth is not possible to fan, right. So fan is the not alive, right, मतलब जिसका growth हो रहा है, right, जो nutrition ले रहा है, clear, जो moving कर रहा है, right, all are is the alive. Means simple example of alive, alive means living things, right, जिसका fundamental क्या हो, cell, right. non alive मतलब जिसका fundamental सेल नहीं हो. सेल नहीं हो मतलब सपोज कोई ट्री का पार्ट है, जब वो ट्री में एक्टिव पोजीशन पे रहा होगा तब वो लिविंग सेल था वहां पर, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम जब उसकी डेथ हो जाती है, हम कट कर देते हैं, तो वो नॉन अलाइव है, राइट, वो डेड सेल है. क्लियर? ओके. इफ वी सी अ डॉग रनिंग और काउ इज chewing cud or man is shooting loudly on street, we know that these are living being. Means some example is given here, just like a dog is running, right, एक dog है वो running कर रहा है, भाग रहा है, right. cow is chewing, cow जो है food को digest कर रहे हैं, right. and man is shooting loudly on street, we know that these are a living being. मतलब man is also, right, is running, means all are is the alive, cow, dog or man, right. See, one thing is very common, cow, dog or man is fundamental is cell. So this one is the example of alive, right. Okay, what if the dog or the cow or the man were sleepy? We would still think that they were alive, but how did we know that? We see the breathing and we know that they are alive. What about plant, right? अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन, सिंपल क्वेश्चन is asked here, right? Suppose breathing, cow, dog or human is a breathing, तो प्लांट के बारे में क्या है? प्लांट तो ब्रीथ नहीं करता है, क्लियर, बट प्लांट इज आल्सो अलाइव, प्लांट का भी ग्रोथ होता है, राइट, बिकॉज प्लांट का भी फंडामेंटल सेल है, राइट, बट प्लांट ब्रीथ नहीं करता है, राइट, बट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम इज देयर, जस्ट लाइक अ ट्रांसपिरेशन, right, just like a phloem or xylem is plays a very important cell in plant, वो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का वर्क करते हैं, क्लियर, वो हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay, we see them green, some of us will say, but that about plant that have leaf or colors other the green, they grow over time, so we know that they are alive. Some will say, in other words, we tend to think of some sort of movement, either growth related or not. Common evidence of being alive, but a plant that is not visibly growing is still alive, and some animal can breathe without the visible movement. So using the visible movement as the definitely characteristics of life is not enough, right? मतलब some different characteristics is discussed here, right? Just like a moving, right, walking, right, sleeping, all are is the our physiological process, right? Means in our internal body lot of different type of processes there. Means अगर हम एक एग्जांपल खाली देखें तो only is moving, right, कि क्या जो alive है, जो living organisms है, only moving is a sufficient is there? तो no, right, because fan is also moving, vehicle is also moving, train is also moving, right, and different type of vehicle is also moving, right. So moving is not sufficient definition to the alive living organism. Different factor is also responsible is there, right. Okay, movement or very small scales will be invisible to the naked eye. Movement of molecule, for example, is this invisible molecules movement necessary for life? If we ask the question to professionals, biologists, they will say yes. In fact, viruses do not show any molecules movement in them, and that is the partly why there is the continuously about the whether they are truly alive or not. अब इसमें एक एग्जांपल पूछा है. अब so see first paragraph we have discussed the only alive or non alive means living organism or non living organism. तो वायरस के बारे में एक एग्जांपल दिया है कि वायरस अलाइव है मींस लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है या नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, राइट? सो वायरस इज द प्ले द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. Sometime, right, both character is present is there. Suppose one example is we are discuss here. अगर वायरस किसी कॉर्नर में पड़ा है, लिविंग सेल के कांटेक्ट में नहीं है, तो वो नॉन अलाइव की तरह वर्क करता है, राइट? और जैसे ही वो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के पास आता है, बराबर, तो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म मतलब बॉडी के कांटेक्ट में आता है, तो वो अलाइव की तरह वर्क करने लगता है, उसका ग्रोथ होने लगता है, राइट? मतलब वायरस का अगर हम देखें तो अलाइव और नॉन अलाइव मींस लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म और नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म दोनों की तरह वर्क करता है, राइट? आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे वायरस से रिलेटेड डिसीज है, राइट? वायरस और बैक्टीरिया यू आर ऑलरेडी स्टडीइंग इन क्लास 9, राइट? चैप्टर लास्ट चैप्टर, राइट? डिसीज वाला एक चैप्टर था, उसमें वायरस जो है वो बहुत डेंजर है क्योंकि उसका जो ग्रोथ है वो एकदम फास्ट होता है, राइट? बैक्टीरिया इज स्लो. क्लियर? ऑलरेडी आपने 9th में वो पढ़ा है. चलो, मतलब वायरस जो है वो सम टाइम they are a worker living is also means alive is also and sometimes is the non alive is also. Clear? Why are the molecule movement is needed for life? We have seen in earlier classes that living organisms are well organized structure. Then can have tissues have cells have smaller component in them and so on. Because of the effect of the environment, this organized ordered nature of living structure is very likely to keep breaking down. Living structure must be keep the repairing of the maintaining the structure. Since all these structure are made of molecule, they must be molecule around all the time. What are the maintenance process in living organism? Let us explore. अब हमसे यहाँ पर इस इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट में ओनली डिस्कस किया है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म और नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, राइट? मतलब यहाँ पे एक स्पेसिफिक वर्ड यूज किया है अलाइव और नॉन अलाइव. अलाइव मतलब लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, राइट? जिसका ग्रोथ होगा, किसके साथ ग्रोथ होगा? न्यूट्रिशन, रेस्पिरेशन, circulator and transportation, expiration or transportation is plant transpiration or autotrophic nutrition. Means here we are covered the plant or animal both. Clear? अब आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा है what are the maintenance process and living organism. Maintenance process means what? See, we are discuss here very small definition of maintenance process, right? Some different type of animals, उनके बॉडी में बहुत सारे सेल ब्रेक होते रहते हैं और क्रिएट होते रहते हैं. क्लियर? सम सेल इज अ ब्रेक और क्रिएट होना, मतलब क्रिएट होने के लिए न्यूट्रिशन इज प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल हमारे ग्रोथ के लिए, राइट? इन आवर इंटरनल बॉडी बहुत सारे सेल ब्रेक होते रहते हैं और फिर से रिपेयर होते रहते हैं. जो रिपेयर होते हैं दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द मेंटेनेंस प्रोसेस. क्लियर? अब आगे हमको मेंटेनेंस प्रोसेस के बारे में ही पढ़ना है, राइट? फर्स्ट टॉपिक व्हाट आर द लाइफ प्रोसेस. मतलब आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि लाइफ प्रोसेस क्या है. मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन में हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है? व्हाट इज अलाइव एंड व्हाट इज नॉन अलाइव एंड डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, राइट? अलाइव और नॉन अलाइव. क्लियर? चलो, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी आर डिस्कस व्हाट आर द लाइफ प्रोसेस. मतलब इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर कवर द राइट दिस मेन राइट पॉइंट इज हियर, राइट? यही हमको डेप्थ में डिस्कस करना है, राइट? वो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे. ये चैप्टर काफी स्लो हमको चलाना है बिकॉज डिफरेंट यहाँ पे डेफिनेशंस है और डिफरेंट एग्जांपल इज देयर, राइट? नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे. क्लियर? थैंक यू.